Umbuso uthi abasolwa bangabantu abasatshwayo umphakathi abahamba bephethe izibhamu kanti bese beyuhlalisela ibhojozi nomphakathi wasemtubatuba. Uthi ukukhululwa kwabo ngebheyili kuzowuthusa kakhulu umphakathi.
The bail applicant before you is a person of this nature that swears, that carries guns in public areas, so as to portray that it should be feared.
Umbuso uveze ukuthi omunye wabasolwa okumanje usaboshwe eSwatini nguyena owadubula wabulala uAKA noTips.
Out of these three, we identify one. And when you look at the description of the second one, because we've managed to place, for example, accused number 1 is placed in a Mercedes Benz, together with applicant number 4, as well as the shooter in Swaziland.
Uthi kunobufakazi obuphathekayo obubonisa ngokusobala ukuthi abasolwa bathengwa njengabantu abakhokhelwayo ukusoconga abantu ukwenza lo msebenzi.
The planning shows that this was a plan to kill. Now, after they have killed, what then happened? They are paid.
Izolo abameli babasolwa baphothule ezabo izethulo. Isinqumo sizokhishwa mhla zingu-15 kuNhlaba.
Gentlemen, the matter against you is then postponed for judgment until the 15th of May.